Hello guys, I'm Akaras Asar and you're watching my YouTube channel. Today we are playing brain test. Okay? So first you need to go to browser and type Poki. Browser, okay? P-O-K-I. Okay? Now this is Poki and click in this link. Now this is our brain test. Tricky puzzles. Okay? So let's go. Take a time. Look at their heads carefully. Oh, Joker's head. Yes. He has 6 heads. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more